guys, welcome back to a brand new video of RC Graveyard, and today we're going to be checking out some batteries I got. So I ordered only 2 of these guys, and I ended up getting 4, which is why I'm making this video. Initially I was just going to add it into my RC truck, and then when I take it out for a run, just let you guys know what I got and what I put in it. But because they were so kind to send me 2 additional extra batteries, I thought I would show them off. And they're having a sale right now on Amazon. You guys should definitely check them out. If I can open this stupid thing. It was very secure. Securely packed. Holy cow. But yeah, I got 4 of these for the price of 2, and I'm very, very thankful. Look at that. Brand spanking new, smooth. You got your charging plug. And I think this is so you can either do it this end or this end, because I've seen these on micro crawlers, and then this is used for literally so many different things. Drones, buggies, and that's what I got this for, is for my buggy. And I know what a lot of y'all are going to say, it's not going to last very long. It doesn't matter, I got 4 of them. If it gives it more juice and more push, that's all that matters. And I'm looking for a bigger discharge, because the battery that I got it with, it doesn't specify, it says it's a lipo, but it doesn't specify how many C. And I'm thinking it's a super low discharge rate, because it's good, but there's just, you can tell that they went with the budget one. But anyways, guys, check out Ministar, and yeah, thanks for sending me 4 of them. It's not very often that I can say thanks to a company. Peace. See, I was opening up the boxes and I didn't notice on the bottom, but they also gave me stickers, which is absolutely awesome, because you guys know I'm making a rally car, and well, if these batteries are good, which I guarantee you they will be compared to what you get stock, it'll be cool to show off. Anyways, guys, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.